How are you sort of attacking this challenge to make sure that the brand stays on point in terms of yeah, everything from name, but also to flavor in the end product?
Yeah, and that's been a a recent kind of challenge for us to sort of figure out. There is a lot of opportunity with these additional brew houses to brew more beers with more brewers, but it also, yeah, it's like we wanna make sure that when people come to Big Grove and they order a Big Grove beer, that they're getting something that we all can stand behind, and that is representative of what we do. So I think we've been fortunate. We've been able to recruit and hire a lot of really good brewers. We've had a number come from across the country actually to move here to come work with us. And
Mm.
so far, all the folks that have all the brewing that's being done at our what I'll call our satellite locations, our smaller breweries, are from brewers that worked with us in Iowa City for a while, and
Ah.
then moved to these new locations to take over those breweries. So that to me really helps with that process where we they come and see how we do it, and they get to know our quality team and what they expect and what they look at, and they just, yeah, they see the way we do it at Big Grove in Iowa City, and they can, that makes it much more easy to adapt to these other